If Firefox is refusing to open just one specific website, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This is a really common issue, and it usually comes down to antivirus software, old site data, extensions, or a Firefox setting that needs to be refreshed. By the end of this tutorial, you should have a much better chance of getting that website to load normally again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get started. First, before changing anything inside Firefox, try turning off your antivirus temporarily. In some cases, antivirus protection can block certain websites from loading properly, especially if the site uses scripts, logins, or security certificates that the antivirus flags incorrectly. Open your antivirus software and pause protection for a moment, then go back to Firefox and test the website again. If it opens now, then you found the cause. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on after testing, because you never want to leave your device unprotected longer than necessary. Next, try opening the website in a private window. This is one of the easiest ways to check whether the issue is being caused by old cookies, cached files, or saved site data. A private window loads pages without using some of that stored information, so it gives you a clean test environment. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and P at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and P. A private window will open, and from there, type in the website address and try loading it again. If it works in private mode, that strongly suggests the normal browsing data is causing the problem. If the site still doesn't open, the next thing to do is disable extensions. Add-ons like ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and even some security extensions can interfere with how websites load. To do this, click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox. Then click Extensions and Themes and go to the Extensions section. From here, disable any unnecessary extensions one by one, especially anything related to blocking ads, tracking protection, or custom page filtering. After disabling them, refresh the website and see if it loads correctly. If it does, you can turn the extensions back on one at a time to find the exact one causing the problem. If none of those fixes work, it's time to refresh Firefox. This is a more powerful reset that can clear out broken settings and restore Firefox to a healthier state without deleting your important data like bookmarks or passwords. To do this, click the menu button again, then choose Help and open Troubleshooting information. On that page, you should see the option to refresh Firefox. Click it, confirm the action, and let Firefox complete the reset process. Once it's done, open the browser again and test the website one more time. Usually, one of these steps will solve the problem, especially if the website was blocked by an extension or damaged browser data. If you're still having issues after that, the problem may be related to the website itself, your network connection, or a security setting outside of Firefox. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know to make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.